If you want a man to love you forever and ever and ever and ever, listen to the woman who's been divorced 3 times. You want him to love you forever? Don't talk to him. I didn't say don't talk with him. I just said don't talk to him. Men will tell you when they have something to say because they are task-oriented. When a man talks to a woman, he has something in mind, okay? A beginning, a middle, an end. My work here is done. Something has been accomplished. Women are drunk drivers on the information highway. We don't have to have a point. We just talk. We just talk. If you want a man to love you forever and ever and ever and ever, listen to the woman who's been divorced 3 times. You want him to love you forever?
I'm laughing because I'm guilty. I'm guilty because I always talk and my husband just pretends like he's listening, but he's not listening because I talk too much. And it happened today. We were talking about something and I was just talking and he tried to interrupt and I didn't notice that he was trying to interrupt me. I kept talking and then he just focused on something else and I thought he was listening. Then I asked him, like, were you listening? He said, I had shown you a sign that you should stop talking, but you kept talking. So now maybe I need to buy a remote control, your remote control. So when I want you to stop, I can pause you. That's us. We like to talk. We just like to talk. We want to talk. We want to talk about everything. Men always keep everything inside, but we like to talk. But you know something? Give men some alcohol, give men some beer, and they'll talk. Some men, when they get drunk, they talk a lot. They do talk a lot, especially the Scandinavian men. They talk a lot. Give them some beer and some alcohol, and you get all the gist. They will tell you everything that you need to know, and something that some things that you never needed to know, you're gonna know.